In this video, you'll learn some of the vocabulary that's necessary when talking about division in English. For example, 56 divided by 7 equals 8. This is a division sign. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. You can also set the equation up like this. 56 goes here, and then the 7 would go here. 56 divided by 7. And then you guess how many times 7 goes into 56. So if I say, if it's 8, 8 times 7 equals 56. And then I put this here, 8 times 7 equals 56, and then you subtract this number from this number, it comes out to 0, so you know that the answer is 8. Let's try this with a larger number. What's 535 divided by 7? Starting from this side, you can see that the 7 doesn't go into the 5 here. So we have to move over one place and start from this location and guess how many times the 7 goes into 53. How many times does 7 go into 53? I'm going to guess it goes into 53 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtract 49 from 53. The answer is 4. Bring the 5 down here. How many times does 7 go into 45? And I'm going to guess 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. And now I'll subtract 42 from 45. That gets me 3. Now 7 doesn't go into 3. So you can do a couple different things. You can take the 3 and place it over the 7. 535 divided by 7 is 76 3/7. Or you could add zeros after 535 and continue doing multiplication this way to figure out an answer with the decimal point. The zeros would come down here. How many times does 7 go into 30? And the answer is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. And then you would subtract 28 from 30. That's 20. And how many times does 7 go into 20? Just 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract 14 from 20, it gets you 6. And you can probably keep on going if you want to with numbers following, but at some point you don't have to keep on doing this. The answer is going to be about, you know, let's say you go out to have dinner with 4 other people and the bill comes to $109.80, and you want to divide this amount 5 ways. Starting from this side here and going in this direction, how many times does 5 go into 10? Well, you would guess it goes into 10 2 times, which is correct. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract 10 from 10, and that gets you 0. bring down the 9, how many times does 5 go into 9? It's just one time. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract 5 from 9, you get 4. Bring down the 8, and then how many times does 5 go into 48? And then you would guess, oh, about 9 times. Now there's a decimal point here. The decimal point can go up. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract 45 from 48 gets you 3, and then you bring down the 0 here. How many times does 5 go into 30? The answer is 6. 6 times 5 is 30, and then that results in 0 if you subtract this number from this number. And so the answer in dividing the bill would be $21.96 for each person in a group of 5.